So you're the executor of a will, and now you don't know what to do. Is there a checklist that you can follow? Sure, there is. I've got one for you. I'm going to give you the top 5 right now. First thing you want to do is get multiple original copies of the death certificate. Everyone who asks for one is going to want an original, not a carbon copy, not a Xerox copy. You can't run to Staples and get this. So see the funeral director to get as many copies as he'll give you. If he suggests 10, 12, 15, add a few. It's usually about 20, I find, has been the perfect number, depending on how extensive the decedent's estate is as far as bank accounts and things like that. The second thing you're going to want to do is decide whether to probate or not probate. Some estates, the smaller ones, don't necessarily need to be probated. However, it's still a good idea if you do. A qualified attorney will help you, or you can try to do it yourself. You're going to need letters of testamentary, and you're going to need a short certificate. Any bank account, any insurance policy, anything like that is going to require that you produce those to prove that you are the person in charge of settling the estate. So get your letters of testamentary and get your short certificate along with the death certificate. Those are the papers you're going to need in order to get people just to talk to you. The third thing you want to do is you want to set up a bank account just for the estate. You're going to have to continue to pay the bills out of that account until the estate gets settled. And it is so much easier to account for everything if they're coming out of one bank account and not several. See a qualified attorney if you have questions about setting something like that up. The fourth thing you want to do is get a value on all the property. Is there coins? Is there stocks, bonds, bank accounts, CDs? Is there antiques, other collectibles? Is there property? If there's real estate involved, I've been a licensed agent in Pennsylvania and now New Jersey for a very long time. You're going to need a letter explaining how much and validating how much that property is worth and why it's worth that. You want to get this because you don't want to underpay the taxes. So I recommend seeking a qualified real estate agent who knows the area that can write that letter for you and has experience writing that letter, because it's not just, hey, the property is worth, 200 grand. It's not that easy. You don't need an appraisal, okay, but you will need something official to send with the tax return. If you're in the Bucks, Northeast Philly area, feel free to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to help you with that. And you're going to want to be accurate, because the next step is filing tax returns. Now, a qualified accountant will help you file the decedent's final income tax return. Don't wait till April 15th. You want to get that done as soon as possible. The next return you're going to want to file, you need to file, is the Pennsylvania inheritance tax return. There's discounts if you file within 30 days or 90 days, but you're going to need to file that as soon as possible. Especially if you're the executor, you don't want somebody saying that you took too long to file it and now we owe more. So file that as soon as you can. Now, the 25th thing is distributing all the assets, and there's a lot more in between. Look below, there's a full checklist. It's totally free, no obligation. Some of the things won't apply to you, but a lot of it will, and it'll make it a lot easier for you. Good luck. Let me know if you need any help. Hi. If you found this video useful, check out my other video. The link is down below. It's all about inheritance tax, especially PA inheritance tax. Thanks again for watching.